Good morning, guys. It's actually 2 o'clock, but I think I cut up all my sleep because I slept till 1 o'clock this morning. I went to bed, I went to bed around like 12:30, but I was up for a little bit after that, but I slept a long time, like almost like 10, 11 hours. So, hey Ninja. Meow. Really? You telling the truth? Yeah. Okay. We are about to head out to Walmart. It is a very rainy day. We were actually going to go to the zoo today, but it has literally been non-stop raining since about 3 a.m. last night. So, not going to do that. We'll go on Friday, but I'm thankful to say that I'm back to feeling 100% today. So, I don't know what all that was, but it's all gone, and I'm also not tired. So, everything is normal, and now we can be good. But I just finished my treatment and took Panda out and fed him, and like I said, now we're about to head to Walmart. But I just wanted to say good morning and hope you guys are having a great day as well. Oh, and quick side note, somebody commented yesterday and asked me if I could link my Instagram down below my videos, so I will link my Instagram account down below my vlog today. So if you want to check that out, it'll be in the description below. Hey guys, so we are back from Walmart. It's actually already like 5 o'clock. It does not feel like it should be, but I also woke up at 1, so. But one thing I got at Walmart was I got Panda a new little blanket for his crate. He had another one in here, but it was kind of getting ruined. So I got him one, and I found this really cute one that has, I think he likes it too. And it has like bones and dog collars. It says wolf, so it was like perfect. Plus, this is just me being me, but I like the way the red contrasts his black coat, so hopefully he'll like that and make him a little more comfy when he's sleeping in there. And I also got a fan because I get really hot at night. I always have, and so I was very excited about that. I was like, you know you're an adult when the two things I was excited about getting today was the fan and a scale. Like, that's how you know you're an adult, but I don't know what is going on with my hair. But also got a birthday cake to make, which is kind of late, like 2 days after my birthday, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, hang on, my hair is bothering me. Okay, that's better. It was really bothering me how I was poofing out both sides. Anyway, so I got a fan, which hopefully will help me sleep at night, and it comes with a cat. Didn't you know that? But I'm looking forward to trying that out tonight and seeing if that will help, because when I'm in Arkansas I'm fine, but when I'm here, my bedroom is the hottest room in the house, and it's just naturally hotter here anyway because it's Florida. So hopefully that will keep me from waking up sweaty, because there's nothing worse than that, because then you wake up and you just want to take a shower, and yeah. So and I'm also excited about the scale. I'm going to see if it weighs me the same as the scale I have in Arkansas, which was like 94, and I think they weighed me 94 at the hospital too. So if this says 94, then I know it's like perfect. But yeah, I just found it funny. I was like, yeah, you know you're an adult when it's not the food, it's not even the cake that you're excited about, it's the fan and the scale and the dog blanket. So but overall, that's what we did. We just went to Walmart, we made a quick stock of Dollar General, and now we're back and gonna eat some dinner and play some games. And it's just a pretty chill day because it's raining all day anyway, so there's nothing much to do. We're gonna go to the zoo on Friday, so but yeah, just hanging out. But felt like I should vlog because it's 5 o'clock and I have like nothing, but that's what we did. And see you guys in a little while. Hey guys, so it is time to cook some late birthday cake. I just was playing game Monopoly and I died, so I'm gonna start the cake. I got Funfetti, which is like my favorite kind, and so I'm gonna do Funfetti cake with milk chocolate frosting. And I apparently jinxed myself because my side hurts just about as much as it did 2 days ago. Like, I have to breathe shallow and everything again, but I know it's not anything besides like a pulled muscle or something, so I'm just gonna keep doing what I want to do. Just take some ibuprofen and keep moving forward, living life. It's not gonna stop. So, but I probably do need to rest, because I woke up this morning feeling 100% okay, and then I did a lot today and that was hurting again, so I probably need to take it easy for a bit. But so I don't think cooking a cake counts as like strenuous activity. So I'm gonna make this. We do have some candles as well, and so this vlog will be up a little late because by the time this is done, let's see, this cooks 33 minutes. So by the time this is done, it'll be after 8, but that's okay. I'll just upload it on like my nighttime treatment. So, gonna start the oven preheating. Gonna take some ibuprofen. I'm gonna cook some cake. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love baking. I actually enjoy baking the cake more than I do eating it. I'm more excited about cooking or baking this than about eating this when it's done. So, yeah, I have a vlog where I like showed me cooking the whole cake. I'm not gonna do that this time. One, because I'm in pain and I don't want to move all that, and two, just because it's easier without dealing with raw eggs and cameras and stuff. But I'll show you guys the finished product. So next time you see me, there'll be like magical cakes appearing. Okay guys, it's definitely not my prettiest cake I've ever made. In fact, it might be one of the ugliest, but we use a different batter than we normally buy, and it's like a lot crumblier, so it's hard to get it to stick. But hey, it doesn't have to be pretty to be edible, and it smells pretty good, so yeah. But we're gonna put these on, which we're gonna have to figure out how to light them with that matches. I guess we're gonna light them from the oven, and yeah, that'll be interesting. Yep, turning 1 year old. Okay. Like I told you guys before, we were doing most of or kind of, not really most of it. I guess my birthday was spaced out over 3 days in a weird way, but it works. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's vlog here because while I eat this cake, I'm going to upload it and then do my treatment and take a shower. And I got my fan all set up too. Here, I'll go show you guys that real quick while we're waiting for those candles. I'm hoping that this will help me tonight to not like be dying of heat stroke. The cat is not a fan of the fan. Didn't do that on purpose. But it is all set up. It's just sitting in the corner right now. Ninja, hey, stop. But it works quite well. It's quiet too, which I like. It's very, very quiet. Well, on one it is anyway. Very quiet, just a little bit of white noise, but not like, you know, loud to keep me awake. So hopefully that'll work. Got the scale set up, got the cake made, and now I just gotta get the vlog uploaded. So I can say that the ibuprofen did help a lot more than the Tylenol. Tylenol the other day did absolutely nothing. The ibuprofen today took it almost all away, so it must be some kind of muscle. So I was planning on going for a run tomorrow, but since the activity that I did today made it hurt again, I think I need to just take it easy the rest of the week and pick up things like the beginning of next week or something. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog here since it's already pretty late. So thank you guys so much for coming along on my day today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.